Looking for a trusted ADU builder in Mill Valley? Meet Nestadu, a licensed full-service ADU builder designing and delivering custom and factory-built accessory dwelling units across California. From Los Angeles to Sacramento, Nestadu has become one of California's most trusted names in accessory dwelling units. Whether you want a detached ADU, an attached unit, a garage conversion, or a junior ADU, Nestadu handles the entire project end-to-end. Design, city permitting, foundation and framing, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. It is a true turnkey build. Nestadu even connects you with ADU-specific financing partners, including HELOC and construction loan referrals. And every project is backed by a workmanship warranty and a dedicated project manager. Homeowners rate Nestadu 5 stars across 7 verified reviews. As one customer put it, pricing was clear and there were no surprise costs, which I really appreciated. Want to work with Nestadu? Click the link below to go directly to their builder profile on 1-800-ADUPros.com and get an intro.